Welcome back, Autovechia legend. General overview. The Kia Picanto is a small hatchback, designed for city driving. It is compact, fuel-efficient, and relatively affordable. It is assembled by Kia in Pakistan via Lucky Motors. Price and variants. There are two main variants: manual transmission (MT) and automatic transmission (AT). Price range ex-showroom in Pakistan for 2025 is approximately 3,600,000 Pakistani rupees for the manual version and about 3,850,000 Pakistani rupees for the automatic one. Engine and performance. Engine: 1.0-liter petrol engine, 1000 cc for both variants. Power output: around 68 horsepower (HP) and torque of about 94 Nm. Transmission: 5-speed manual in the MT variant. At version has automatic transmission, often 4-speed automatic. Dimensions and capacity. Length times width times height, approximately 3,595 mm times 1,595 mm times 1490 mm. Ground clearance, about 152 mm. Weight curb weight about 840 to 860 kg depending on variant. Boot space, around 200 liters. Seating capacity, 5 persons. Fuel, mileage and tank capacity. Fuel type, petrol. Fuel tank capacity, 35 liters. Mileage, fuel efficiency. In city driving, about 12 to 13 km per liter. On highway or combined highway, COM roads, around 14 to 15 km per liter. Some sources report up to 18 km per liter under favorable conditions. With a full tank, 35 L expected driving range. In city, roughly 420 km. On highway, up to about 525 km. Exterior and wheels. Tire size, 165/65 R14 tires with steel wheels plus wheel covers in many variants. Top speed, about 180 km per hour, though realistically less under normal driving conditions. Features and interior. It includes basic comfort and convenience features: power steering, power windows, power side mirrors, front fog lights, rear wiper, defogger. Audio system: integrated MP3, radio, aux, USB, Bluetooth for audio and calling, 4 speakers. Safety features: dual front airbags, driver and passenger. Anti-lock braking system, ABS with EBD, electric brake distribution. Immobilizer for security. ISOFIX child seat anchors. Rear seat belts, front and rear seat belts, child locks, central locking. Warranty and after sales. Kia in Pakistan provides a 4-year or 100,000 kilometers warranty. There is a fairly good network of authorized service centers in major cities. Parts are reasonably available in big cities, in smaller towns might face some delay. Pros and cons as understood from Pakistani context, user feedback. Pros: good fuel efficiency for its segment. Saves on petrol expense compared to larger or less efficient cars. Compact size is good for city traffic, parking, maneuverability. Comes with essential safety and convenience features. Kia brand's warranty and dealership support add peace of mind. Cons: power output is modest, so acceleration isn't strong, especially with full load or steep inclines. Inside space, rear legroom and boot space are limited, normal for small hatchbacks. Automatic variant gives lower mileage than manual, especially in city. Price is relatively high compared to some competitors, especially considering what you get. Conclusion. In summary, the Kia Picanto is best suited for someone who mainly drives in city, urban area, where its compact size is a plus. Cares about fuel economy and wants low running costs. Doesn't need high power or big space, just basic comfortable travel for 4 to 5 people occasionally. Values safety features like airbags, ABS, child seat anchors, etc. But it may not be ideal if you regularly drive long highway trips at high speed, or need to carry many passengers or heavy loads often. Subscribe my YouTube channel and more videos.